This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to refer and earn in Paytm. First, open your Paytm app and navigate to the Refer and Earn section. This area provides all the necessary details about the current referral offers. You'll find your unique referral code or link there. Understanding the terms and conditions is crucial to ensure successful referrals and reward eligibility. To share your referral code, simply tap the Share button in the Refer and Earn section. You can send it via WhatsApp, SMS, or other social media platforms. When your friend downloads the Paytm app, they must use your referral code during their registration process. This step is vital for both of you to qualify for the referral bonus. Make sure they complete their first transaction as well. Once your referred friend completes their first qualifying transaction on Paytm, your referral bonus will be credited to your account. The specific amount you earn can vary, often ranging from $5 to $10, depending on the current promotional offers. Always review the program's terms for the latest reward structure. You can track your referral status and earnings directly within the app's Refer and Earn dashboard. To maximize your earnings, actively encourage your referred friends to complete their first transaction soon after signing up. Remind them that their first payment, whether it's a bill payment or a mobile recharge, triggers your reward. Share your link widely, but responsibly. Also, remember to check the description for the Oala water bottle link and other great deals. Keep an eye on Paytm's announcements for any limited-time bonus offers to boost your referral income even further.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.